Det er så et lille museum for en srilankansk buddhist, der døde her i 1931. Nej, 33 var det. Lyset er desværre gået ud. Og så vil de forhåbentlig ikke kræve penge for, at jeg går herind. Og den skal plads på hovedet. But they don't have to pay 100.
They have to pay 100.
Also the Buddhists?
Yeah, everybody.
Okay. What does the money go to? The
Government
restoration?
for the archaeological survey of India.
Okay. How many times do you have to walk around?
3, 7, 9, 14, 18 and 27.
Okay.
It depends as you can.
It's better the more.
Yeah, if you want to make more, you can make more. But minimum is 5 times.
Okay. And you always
According to the Buddhist system.
and you always have to walk clockwise?
Clockwise, always clockwise.
Yes, okay.
Because the wheel of life always runs according to the clockwise.
Yes.
Look at the beautiful carving stone here, sir.
Yes.
You see in the geometrical design. In the geometrical design,
Yes.
between two flowers row, many small swastikas are there.
Yeah.
Swastikas.
Yes.
That is the right way of the swastika, Aryan swastika. It's not Hitler's.
No.
Hitler was changed his way.
Yeah.
But it is the correct way. Muslims, everybody went away from here. So everything day by day fallen down and gone under the ground. Mr. Alexander Cunningham, the British archaeologist, started excavation here from 1834, which was continued up to 1904. So many things found from here. Those all are inside the archaeological museum, which was found the most important thing from this from this area. This 4-line, the Indian national emblem, built by the Ashoka in the 300 before the Christ. And this is the Indian national emblem. That is also found from here.
Okay.
I will show you some important spot in this area.
Yes.
The remains are here.
All right.
I will explain why this is the Indian national emblem.
Yes.
Just listen. This is the lotus. You see, this is the lotus flower,
Yes.
like this. All the Buddha, all the birth in standing condition. Mother will not sleep in standing condition. Like this Siddhartha mother, when she was going to her parents' home for the first delivery, on the midway in the forest, in the jungle, she felt pain and took a branch of the salt tree, and he was born.
Okay.
And immediate from south to north, he kept 7 steps. 7 lotus flowers grew up.
Okay.
This is the natural. And in the life of Buddha, everything are natural.
Okay.
So this lotus flower related with the life of the Buddha.
Yes.
And you see, this is the Taurus. Taurus was the horoscopic sign of the Buddha, bull.
Okay.
Taurus is the horoscopic sign of Buddha. And on riding horse, he was left his home, went in the forest, and returned the horse. And backside is the lion, which indicates the ruler family. His father was a king.
Okay.
And then elephant. When his mother was pregnant, she saw a white elephant in the dream. That indicates previous announcement that a great personality is coming on the earth. It is the meaning of such type of the dream.
Okay.
And in our life wise, what is the meaning of these 4 animals? Bull is the mark of cultivation by which we get food, and everybody should feel always speedy like a running horse, always. And graze like a lion, and brave like a elephant. Ashoka was a very cruel king. He was killed his elder brother to become himself a king. And after that he started war, a lot of the killings, bloodings. So everybody became against of Ashoka. But after at last he realized it, and then promised no any war in my life, and he accepted the way of Buddha. He became a Buddhist. So since that time he began to feel very peace and happy in his life. You see, a lion. Mouth is open and tongue is outside.
Yes.
There is no cruelness on the face. Very peace and silent and very calm.
Yeah.
So that this is the mark of the peace. After independent India government choose this mark as a national emblem. We want peace in our country.
Okay. So it's actually a Buddhist symbol for the Hindu country.
Yeah, Hindu. It is actually, India is not Hindu country. It is all the religions are free to do all the.
But most people are Hindus.
Most people are Hindus. Most people are Hindus. And like a Buddhism is the branch of the Hinduism. Jainism is the branch of the Hinduism. Yeah. So Jain is also one of the big religion.
Yes.
In
I
India.
don't know much about that.
Huh?
What can you tell me about Jainism?
I will tell you, sir, because the Jain temple is here. I will tell you a lot
All
about
right.
the Jain temple,
All right.
about the Jainism.
All right.
Please ask me if you are having any question.
I will.
If you want to get in, then go on the road. Some road is set on the corner that side. There is a booking of buy a ticket for 100 rupees.
Okay, okay.
Another relic stupa here, and it was enlarged as big this big stupa. But in 1794, the king of Benares demolished this stupa, and he took all the bricks stone in the city to build some building and pond. Mr. Cunningham, in the dig in the center of this stupa, he got a green marble box in which